If you want to start film photography but don't know how to load 35mm film, this video is for you. Today, we will guide you through the process of loading and unloading your first roll into two different cameras. Let's start with an SLR. First, we will load Agfa Color 400 into the Canon AE-1 program. Pull up the rewind crank to open the back. Place your roll into the film chamber on the left side. Push down the rewind crank to secure the film roll. And gently pull out the film leader and stretch it across the right side. Insert it into one of the slots in the take-up spool. Rotate the advanced lever and press the shutter to wind the film. Repeat this process until the perforations align with the sprockets. Shut the film door until it clicks. Lift and rotate the outer ring to set the ISO according to your film. Take a couple of exposures until your shutter counter reaches the number 1. Optionally, you can insert the film box tab into the slot on the back door as a reminder of the film you are using. Now you are ready to shoot film with your SLR. When you have finished your roll, it's time to unload the film. Press the rewind button on the bottom of the camera. Flip out the rewind crank and turn it clockwise until you feel the tension release. This indicates the film has been fully rewound into the carriage. Pull up the rewind crank to open the back door. Take out the film roll and store it safely for developing. Next, we'll load film into a point-and-shoot camera, the Canon AF-35M, also known as the Canon Sure Shot. Slide the latch on the side of the camera to open the back door. Place the film roll into the chamber on the left. Pull out the film leader and insert it into one of the slots on the take-up spool. Press a shutter and observe the spool to ensure the film is advancing properly. Repeat this process a couple of times to confirm the film is securely loaded. Shut the back door firmly until it clicks. Set the ISO according to your film box speed. And that's it! Your point and shoot is ready for action. Once you have finished your roll, here is how to unload your film. Press the release button on the bottom of the camera. Slide the rewind switch to start rewinding the film. When the shutter counter gets to S, this indicates the film is fully rewound into the carriage. Open the back door, take out the film, and store it safely for developing. Your roll is now ready to be processed. And that was it for today. I hope you liked this video and see you in the next one.